Is your Google Map muted? Here's how you can fix it. Open up Google Map application and start navigation to any destination. Look for the speaker icon on the navigation screen and tap onto it and make sure sound is selected, not mute or alerts only. If you still cannot hear direction, you can turn up your phone's media volume while navigation is running. Next, tap on your profile icon, scroll down to settings. Tap on settings, then select navigation. Now find guidance volume and set it to normal or louder. And if you're still having no sound, make sure that your phone is not connected to any headphones and then check Bluetooth connection inside Google Maps. You can even turn on play voice over Bluetooth to make direction play through your phone instead. And finally, make sure that you have internet connection so any required voice direction can download. That's it guys, thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.